Should I just call Akash and check whether it is live there also?
Yeah.
That's better. I'll just give you a call back. Should I just call Akash and check whether it is live there also? Abhilash, Akash is saying it's.
Hello.
Abhilash, Akash is saying it's not live in their end.
It is fine.
Can I put a conference call?
Yeah, absolutely. It's still connecting. Yeah.
నమస్కారం కోవిడ్ 19
Hello, sir.
Akash on the conference connect here, Muru Minta.
Hello. Hello. Can you send me Steven again? Then I will name of it. New one. Yes.
Okay, fine. Alright, so now fine. Okay, so I just need to now check the chat box, right? How do I? Akash, I just logged in my mobile with the Lexia live classes. So basically, this thing will come in that, right? The chat box will be visible over there, correct? Yes. In that, I've logged in into that. So once I log in into that, I clicked on view classes. It was not coming earlier. Maybe it was because it was not streaming at that time. So now, if I can go there, I will be able to view everything. And okay. All right. Okay, fine. Thank you. Yes. That I've logged in into that. So once I log in into that, I clicked on view classes. It was not coming earlier. Maybe it was because it was not streaming at that time. So now if I can go there, I will be able to. Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you.
messages that I've logged in. Once logged in, I click on what's the now if I can put it
Just one quick question. Now I can see myself live in my website. Okay. My doubt is that chat box, the below there's something called a subscribe form. Do I have to subscribe only then I'll be able to chat over here? Correct. And I'm doing it in my mobile. I have a laptop, but that's having some internet issue that's going off. Suddenly, that earlier issue that you mentioned now, that is happening. That's okay. I think if I go mute, not good. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah. Little disturbance, right? I will arrange that later. First, the chat box is a priority. Can you check that first? Okay, so I can parallelly check it in my in the laptop in the same place, right? I can, like, let's say jyotish.com/ssm live. I'll just come here and then I will mute myself. Okay. 1 minute. But what if some students are checking it from their phone? Okay, alright. There's a little bit of a problem in the lighting also, right? I'll try working on that, okay? Just give me a minute. Rest everything is fine. I clicked on the chat box. Show comments. Okay, I'll just put here. Okay. Okay. What happened? Okay, login, boom. Login with now RPL chatting will also come here only, right? Or will it go there? Oh, I have to check in 3 places parallelly, right? Okay. What are the 4? Okay, so I have to open caps also here and keep, is it? Okay. 1 minute. It's getting a little bit slow. Should I click on play? Is that required? Not required, no? Chat can happen parallelly, right? I don't want to see myself, my video playing here. Why is this buffering like this? Can just pause this. Okay. Just put good morning over here, right? Okay. Next will be. What is the link for caps you sent me yesterday, is it? Caps ca.com/ssm live. Wait, it's buffering. It's coming, right? Okay. You're also going to click on watch live. But the same chat you said, whatever is there in caps will appear in my website also, is what you told me that day, right? Okay. Now again I have to log in, right? So in that case, lecture also will put it here only, in my same computer. I will just parallelly check and I can verify for them, right? log in like this. Abhilash, what to do here? No, but for me, for the other students, they have given. Okay, can you tell me? One minute. Yeah, tell me. No, that I know. No, lectures I know. I'm talking about cabs. All right. So you have to give my email and password. Wait, I'll give you the other one. What was the password you remember for this? Okay, save. No. This was here. You are asking to log in. Okay. I will just explain all that. First, let me set up all these things here. Fine. I'll give you a call back, okay? If anything is that, just keep your phone with you. I'll call you, okay? Fine. Thank you. Good morning, friends. I'm live. I hope you can all see me. I'll start my session in 5 to 10 minutes. Let everyone get adjusted. You have to first, log in. You have to click on the play button, and then you have to start chatting over there. There's a chat option next to you. You have to log into chat. In case you're unable to chat over there, being the first, I'll just share my WhatsApp number. You can directly send me a message here. I will be checking this also, and I will get back to you. This number on WhatsApp also you can message if there is some communication issue that you're facing right now. Being the first day, I will be very slow. The main challenge today is that all of you should get comfortable with the whole process. Yeah, Abhilash, one more thing. RPL, I'm not able to check. Should I just try and I'll just check that. I'll check that. Okay. All right. Wait. I have to. No, no, I'm not able to check the RPL. I just logged into RPL right now, but is it playing there? Uh, 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me just check that. I am in RPL channel, so I'm not. Okay. Good morning. Aishwarya Ravichandran. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. Caps. Uh, Anybody is online? Please cross check and get back to me. Let me check. Okay, Sri Lakshmi MP. Good morning. Good morning. All right. If anybody are having any issues as of now, you can always message me on the WhatsApp number that I shared with you. I will repeat the number 8893 495263. All right. Some of you are unable to view it because of some technical issues. The same thing is also running live on Revision Premier League RPL. You can view it in RPL in that case, so that there is no difficulty in missing out of the classes for the initial 5 days. All right. I'll give 5 more minutes, after which I will start off with today's class. Krishna Murali, 1 minute. You're not able to see me? Let me just check. Please wait, we will just work it out. If you're not able to see me, I'll just cross check and get back to you. You're not able to see me? Let me just check. It is live. It's live in at least the other platforms where it is running. Ajit Kumar, just cross check now. Good morning, Surabhi. Good morning, Kuldeep. I hope you are able to see me. Is the echo gone or is it still there? Ajit Kumar, just check now. Yes, Abhilash? Yeah. 1 minute. The issue is that the other laptop, there are some internet issues. It might suddenly go off and I might miss out on the chat. But if I have muted it. It's one way. I think caps is not muted. Caps is also muted. Even this is muted. Even then it's echoing. It's muted. Both are muted. Should I check in my phone? 1 minute. Yes, it's muted everywhere. Then okay. I didn't get you. Come again. Yeah. You just check. Hello, can you hear me? Is it echoing now? So is there some issues with the audio settings? Is that the reason it was echoing earlier? Perfect now? Okay. All right. Okay. Everyone please check. Is it echoing right now? Please cross check. Great. Everyone please keep chatting. Initially, I need some interaction to confirm that, all of you are able to view me properly. Ajit Kumar, are you able to view me now? Or is there still any issue? Bhavani, there will be a little lag initially. It will become all right, being the first day and it's streaming in multiple platforms. It will be okay in a few minutes of time. Okay? Fine. All right. If you have doubts, you can also ask me in WhatsApp. I'm checking my WhatsApp message also if anything is coming up. Uh, okay. If you're not able to log in right now, you just have to give your email ID and a password. You will be able to log in directly. Please cross check once again. Okay, Mahitosh, I hope the echo is clear now. Earlier it was echoing, but now I believe it's all good. Okay. Thank you, Adarsh, for the feedback. Okay, one more message is that the sound is not clear. Please cross check whether the sound is clear right now. Okay, let's give a 5 more minutes time so that it can everyone can just settle down and then we will start off with the class. Thank you, Sunil Alluri. So I believe the issue is all right now and it's settled and everyone can view me live. Now clear? Great. Thank you so much. I think there was some audio settings issue. We'll just wait for 5 more minutes. Some of you are unable to log into it. Just put your username and your password or any password that you want. You will be view it at Revision Premier League, a YouTube channel which is definitely comfortable for all of you. Good morning, Kevin. All right, I believe we are good to go. I'll just cross check the chat settings over here again. Just a minute. Just give me a minute, friends. I'll just check the lighting part and I'll get back. Give me a minute. Friends, just give me 2 more minutes. There are a few more chat boxes which I'm not able to view properly. I'll just open that and then we will start off with the classes. If you're facing any issues, you can always come to Revision Premier League YouTube Live and you can view the classes. Kevin, is it breaking now? Is the audio clear now? Let me just check. Good morning, Alina. Just give me a minute more. I'm just setting up the chat boxes so that I can view all the chats. Anandu Prasad, am I live right now? I don't think I'm going offline now. I'm live over here only. Sri Lakshmi, is there a breakage in the video now? Can you please cross check and confirm and get back to me? Okay, Anmol Satish, there are no issues as far as your part is concerned. Please give me 5 more minutes. Just want to ensure that all the chat boxes are visible to me. Okay, friends, I believe it's all clear right now. Just a minute, I just need to, there are 2 more platforms which I need to cross check and confirm, after which we'll start off with the classes. Just a minute. लाइट ऑन है मतलब चार्ज नहीं हो रहा है, वाइट है मतलब चार्ज हो रहा है ना. You just log into Taranjit Juice and read. इसकी कितने चार्जिंग पॉइंट. This नहीं this अभिलाष से बोल रहा है मैं से करना से एक मिनट. This call. Yeah, Abhilash, can you just tell me the CAP's credentials once again? 1 minute. What is the site's name? caps.com/SFM. Okay. Right. 1 minute. Okay, just a minute. Now I have to just come here on the chat box and just click this, right? I'm not able to see a chat box in this CAPS4C watch live, is it? Okay, right. Okay.